Oh, you an idiot. Yeah, I just got to get the momentum. Rocky climb. Hey guys, Zip 2001 from Just Ride. Come join me. It's no longer Wednesday night in the Berg. It's Wednesday lunch ride in the Berg. You know, it's getting darker earlier and soon we'll be moving the clocks back anyways, and they'll be dark even earlier. So with me being out at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, I only work 8 to 12. I'm semi-retired. Me and my brother Rick figured let's move it to 1 o'clock, so it's a lunch ride. I felt bad. Brother Rick just didn't have the legs today, and we're in the fourth hilliest city in the U.S. Guess what? There's hills on the woods, too. So he suffered a bit. But, hey, it's always good just to get out there. So, hey, come join us as we go have some fun in the Berg. And remember, stay safe and just ride. Woo! I got to get out with this guy soon. I haven't been out with him in a little while. It's too cold in the morning right now to take it to work. But I've got to get out on some afternoon rides with her. Woo, baby. This is Burbank Hospital. In here somewhere, right? Okay. Shoot. Ah, shoot, I'm not clipped in. Wah. Wah, I hate when I'm not clipped in. Stop messing with your foot now. Ah, shoot. Come on. There it is. Had to get clipped in. I think it's, is this one we want? Let's see where. I'm looking for a trail off to my right. Might want to buy it. Keep my eyes over here. Oh, it's all farther down, I guess. Okay, wait for. I thought it was on my right. I think. All right, here it is. Here it is. Okay. Here it is. Did I miss it? This is definitely overgrown a lot. I'll go a little farther. Wow, that trail was a lot more open last time I came here. No, I think it's farther down. I think so. I think it's after this corner. Let me get my foot clipped in, I'll be all right. Yeah, okay. There it is. Right here, Rick. We're having fun, right? Hey, it's not as bad as it looks.
I should just close my eyes then.
It gets easier.
Yeah, right. If you take a left up there, I'm sure it gets easier.
Oh yeah, it gets really easy if you take a left. But this is why we like coming out in the woods, right? Come on, this is the joy of the woods.
Man, I just don't have it today. I got nothing today.
We all have those days.
Tell my wife, no more outdoors work.
Well,
Bike days.
yeah, you got to be serious and take a day off before and rest up.
I mean, my balance seems off, my pedaling seems off,
I'd blame that. I'd blame that way too much on yard and housework. Yeah, that's why I told Karen. There's a happy medium here with me getting out early every day. I need rest days built in. We'll see how she rolls, right? I gotta get myself going now. Cut that out. My butt got stuck. Get myself clipped in, that'll be all right. Shit. Here we go. We're back up and running. Shoot. Look at knucklehead. Shoot. Well, I'll trail there. Cut that out. Don't stop on the hill. Don't stop on the hill. Get your saddle up, knucklehead. Saddle up, now clip in. There you go. I'll get it in easy gear.